Hey YouTube, so today we're gonna do braid out on freshly washed hair. Before we go any further, make sure to like and subscribe. It should be at the bottom of the screen, okay? Alright, let's go. So first, we're going to separate the hair in 5 sections. Alright. So I'm gonna do a part. I'm gonna do it in the middle. So we're gonna have a middle part. I'm gonna part down the middle like this. And then I'm gonna do the sides. So this is freshly washed hair. No condition, no leave-in conditioner yet, or oils or anything. And I did wash with the Shea Moisture Black Jamaican Castor Oil conditioner, deep conditioner. Alright, let's just get this part straight. Or maybe not. Alright, it doesn't have to be straight, because right now this straight. Alright. So that's one section. Just get that out of the way. And then we're gonna part the other side just like that. Whoops. All right. Okay. Then we're gonna do the back. Turn to the side. So we're gonna do one down the middle. And section this part. And we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. All right, so let's see. It's gonna be like that. All right. Now I'm gonna braid each part. Starting with this section. I'm gonna do it in 3. Yeah, 3. So I'm gonna spray it with the Chi Keratin Mist, just because I feel like I need some protein in my hair. Alright, should be good. Then I'm gonna use the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner, just as the deep conditioner. All right. We're gonna part like that much. I'm gonna put a little bit more of the leave-in conditioner on each section. And then we're gonna braid it. I do the root a little tighter and then get loose as we're going down the hair shaft. Alright, so I'm gonna leave the ends because I'll put I'm gonna leave that much because I'm gonna put the what's it called, the little rods on there. I'm gonna put another section. Castor oil. Oh, and I forgot the oil. I'm gonna use shea moisture, the shea butter, and coconut oil mixed with the neem oil to put on the ear shaft as well. And then we're just gonna braid. Remember, we're doing the root a little bit tighter, and then we go loose as we go down. Like that. And like, try to keep the 3 strands that you took out consistently throughout. So when you're like unraveling the braids, it doesn't get all frizzy. They have to stay together. So the same 3 section all the way down. Like, don't crisscross it, like open it up. Don't do that. Keep it together all the way down. So you eliminate all the frizz at the end when you're pulling this out when it's all dry. Alright, and I'm gonna leave the end like that much because I'm gonna put the rods on there. So this is the last section. I'm gonna put the leave-in. And I rub my arms down my hair like this because it makes it distribute evenly. And then we braid. You want to make sure that all the knots are out, because if not, then it's gonna be another situation where it's frizzy. Even just continue. Remember to keep all the same 3 strands together going down, because if you crisscross them, it's gonna be frizzy when you're pulling it out. And then I'm gonna leave that much. So this is what it looks like. Again, it doesn't need to be straight or neat because we're gonna pull this all out. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest, and then I'll come back and let you guys see how it all looks. All right, so I'm back with the last piece. This is the last section. I'm gonna show you how I do it with the rods on the end. So I already put the leave-in conditioner in here and the oils as well. And then we're gonna plait it, keeping the same 3 strands as you go down. Alright. Almost there. Alright. I'm gonna wet it because it's dry. A little bit dry. And then I'm using the pink ones or the purple ones. And then I'm gonna wrap it from the end and make sure it's smooth. Like that. I'm gonna wrap it a little bit higher because I want it to be shorter. There we go. Let me show you the back. Alright, so guess what? So you could either sit under a dryer and make it dry, or you could sleep overnight. You keep it in as long as you want. So what I'm gonna do, I am going to let it air dry. Sometimes I let it dry for like 20 minutes under the dryer and then I let it air dry for the rest. But yeah, I'm just gonna let mine air dry, and then I'm gonna take the rods out, and then I'm gonna leave it like that for a while, probably like a day or so, and then after that I'm gonna pull it out. You don't have to do that if you have somewhere to go, or you know, you could pull it out and unravel like the plaits or the braids, but I just don't feel like doing that tonight, so I'm just gonna take the rods out after it's dry, and I'm gonna go about my day, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and unravel the braids because I have classes on Monday, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like on the first day and on day 3. Usually it looks better as the time go by. So I'll catch you next time on the other video. Remember to like and subscribe and let us know if you want to see more of these videos. Bye.